Did you know that there is miracast features? Start type features. Click optional features. Click blue button view features. Scroll down to wireless display. It allow other devices to wireless project to this computer. Check it and click next to install. After installed, click start. Type wireless display. It say device doesn't support miracast. Press Ctrl+S to open settings. Looks like I do not have miracast device to use this app. Funny, it say ready to connect wirelessly. Now press Win key plus K. This also show I do not have device to support miracast. Thank you for watching.